Hello, hello, hello. I hope you're having a wonderful start to your day. I am going for a quick walk with the husband and then I'm going to a restaurant. Let's call it Chef's Night Out and I'll take you with me. Let's go. Are you ready? Let's go. Waiting for an Uber. I'm gonna be so late. I was casually walking with this boy. Look at him. He's as tall as me. Look at him. He's as tall as me. Oh my goodness. Hi. Buenas tardes. ¿Cómo estás? Sí. Bien, bien.
Vamos a Forever Vegano, ¿verdad?
Sí, Forever Vegano. Estoy en el... Se llama... Buenas noches. Con una amiga.
Ah, ok.
Gracias.
50,000 pesos. 50,000 a million pesos is not a bad price. Yeah. Oh, this is the real deal. Wow.
Somebody got a piece. You know what? I might have a side of rice. Solo
Provecho. Food is always a good
That's
idea.
it. Yes.
It was a lovely evening with
Boho Vegano,
and
Jojo Tulum.
Jojo Tulum. It was a lovely evening.